Kitty, what is prime factorization?
It is very easy. Factors which are prime are called prime factorization. Haha. I know this concept, so I will go and play. Bye.
Not exactly, Akash.
Akash, don't always think that you know everything. Come, let us learn about prime factorization.
In this session, we will learn about prime factorization of a number, finding the prime factors of a number by factor tree method, and finding the prime factors of a number by division method. Any number can be expressed as a product of two or more factors of it. For example, 6 can be expressed as the product of 1 multiplied by 6 or 2 multiplied by 3. Similarly, 12 can be expressed as 4 multiplied by 3 or 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 or 12 multiplied by 1. We observed that the number can be expressed as a product of only prime factors. The process of expressing a given number as a product of prime factors is called prime factorization or complete factorization of the given number. In all the above factorization of 24, we ultimately arrive at only one factorization. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. In this factorization, the final factors 2, 3 are prime numbers. Such a factorization is called prime factorization. Can you express 8 as the product of prime factors?
Yes, it can be expressed as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, where 2 is a prime number.
Express 18 as the product of prime factors?
18 can be written as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. Here, 2 and 3 are prime numbers.
Can you express 48 as the product of prime factors?
It is difficult to find the prime factors of 48 just by seeing. Is there any method to find out the prime factors of a given number?
Yes, there are two methods of finding the prime factors of a given number: the factor tree method and division method. Let me explain to you both the methods. Factorization of the number can be done by using factor tree. Consider the examples of finding the prime factorization of 12. 12 can be factorized into 2 times 6. Again, 6 can be written as 2 times 3. Therefore, the prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. Can you find the prime factors of 48 with the help of factor tree method?
48 can be expressed as 2 multiplied by 24. 24 can be written as 2 multiplied by 12. Again, 12 can be written as 2 multiplied by 6. And finally, 6 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3. Therefore, the prime factors of 48 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3.
The division method of finding the prime factors of a number. In this method, the given number is divided by the smallest prime factor by which it is divisible. Let me explain with an example. Can you find the prime factorization of 92 by division method? First step is to check which of the smallest prime number divides 92 without leaving a remainder.
2 is the least of prime number divides 92 without leaving remainder.
Good, Akash. Now divide 92 by 2 and write the quotient 46 below 92. Again check which least prime number divides 46 without leaving a remainder.
2 is the least of prime number, divides 46 without leaving remainder. The quotient is 23. 23 is a prime number.
That is correct. So, we can stop our division here. Now, 92 can be expressed as the product of prime factors as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 23. Can you find the prime factorization of 192 by division method?
The least prime number which divides 192 without leaving remainder is 2. Dividing 192 by 2, we get the quotient as 96. Again, dividing 96 by a prime number 2, our quotient is 48. The least of prime number which divides 48 without leaving a remainder is again 2. So 48 divided by 2 gives the quotient as 24. 24 divided by 2, our quotient is 12. 12 can be divided by 2, the quotient is 6. And finally 6 divided by 2 gives the quotient as 3. Therefore, 192 can be expressed as the product of prime factors as 2 multiplied by 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 3.
In this session, we learnt about prime factorization of a number, finding the prime factors of a number by factor tree method, finding the prime factors of a number by division method.
Today's class was very interesting, Chitti. Don't you agree with me, Akash?
Yes, Akshita, it was interesting. I'm sorry for being rude earlier.
It's okay, Akash. You should never think that you know everything. There's always something new to learn.